After completing this lesson, you should be able to describe the following. Describe the key features of dropship, describe the high-level dropship process flow, and explain the components required for the dropship flow. This section will describe what a dropship is, what order fulfillment processes are available, and how to select dropship process and the key features of dropship. This illustration shows that dropshipping is not only an order fulfillment strategy where the seller does not keep products in inventory, but also relies on suppliers or contract manufacturers to build, store, and ship orders to customers. When a customer places an order for a drop-shipped product, the seller issues a purchase order for the item and provides instructions for shipping directly to the customer. In turn, the suppliers or contract manufacturers ship the product, then the seller earns their profit. In the Oracle SCM Cloud, this process is fully automated. This allows you to focus your time and energy on your company's core competencies. This flow shows the dropship order fulfillment process. Dropship order processing can coexist with business processes for back-to-back and standard fulfillment flows, and in fact, some order management tasks are shared amongst these flows. If customers choose to implement more than one of these order fulfillment processes, the fulfillment method used for an ordered item is chosen at runtime based on order scheduling results. The flows shown here represent a high-level view of the order orchestration that occurs within order management. This diagram shows how the fulfillment process is selected between standard order, drop shipment, or back-to-back. The fulfillment process is selected in order management after the sales order line has been scheduled. Scheduling results are based on rules which are set up in global order promising. This diagram depicts the dropship order fulfillment process. The dropship curriculum will focus on the fulfillment steps that take place once order management assigns dropshipment fulfillment process to a line. The invoice step is functionally identical to the same task in the standard order flow, and therefore won't be given as much attention as the steps that are dropshipment specific. The key features of fulfilling a customer order through dropshipment. An out-of-the-box automated order-to-cash process where a supplier ships the goods directly to the customer. The process involves the following steps. It considers dropship sourcing rules. It promises orders based on those sourcing rules. It then creates a purchase requisition and a dropship purchase order. Then, when the supplier ships the goods, automatically submits a billing request to invoice the customer. This process also gives the order manager visibility to the entire status of the purchase order throughout the life cycle. It also automatically takes care of change management. This keeps the supplier up to date by automatically updating the purchase order to reflect the customer order changes. It also works the other way where a change to the purchase order is automatically reflected on the order within order management. It also takes into account automatic accounting. This automates the ownership change documentation and accounting from the supplier to the enterprise to the customer once the supplier notifies that goods have been shipped. An agreement defined for the dropship financial flow can support multiple ownership changes as required to support your global business agreements. This section will describe the components which are required for the dropship flow. This illustration shows that the seeded flow makes use of Oracle Cloud products. Order management and orchestration is done by Oracle Order Management Cloud. Order promising is done by Oracle Global Order Promising Cloud. The dropship requisition and purchase orders are created within Oracle Procurement Cloud. Optionally, a supplier may enter an advanced shipping notice using Supplier Portal within Oracle Procurement Cloud. The receiving, financial orchestration, and costing is performed within Oracle Inventory Management Cloud. And finally, customer invoicing is performed in Oracle Financials Cloud. This graphic illustrates the dropshipment process flow. The horizontal lanes each represent either a business or system-driven function that is key to the flow. The dropship flow is a variation within the overall order-to-cash process where you ship the products directly to your customer from a supplier instead of from an internal warehouse. With this flow, receipt from your capture systems automatically proceed through the necessary steps for fulfillment. In Oracle Cloud's delivered flow, order management serves as both the capture system for orchestrating and completing the sales order flow. Specifically, in the scheduled order task, a request is sent to Oracle Global Order Promising, which then utilizes your sourcing rules and other configurations in order to arrive at the best method of promising the order. When GOP uses the dropship flow, the order gets promised from a supplier. Feel free to pause this video to cross the swim lane to